up, guys? It's your boy. I'm here with Justin, Marshall. We out here. Woo! I haven't ridden with these guys in a while. I haven't ridden with Justin ever, actually. What the fuck? Finally riding in the daytime. Me and Marshall, last time I rode with him was on my YouTube channel as you know, his exhaust is loud as hell. I'm just saying that now. But I'm out here with another Grom. Man, my rear tire is bald as bald can get. We're gonna take it easy today, boys. We're not trying to blow a tire. What the? It's gonna be like $1 to fill up. I can't tell what the fuck they want. I can't tell how this works. Am I supposed to pay? Wait, paying now or later? How the? Alright, fuck this. I'm not doing this anymore. Screw it. I don't need gas. I'd rather go to like Circle K or some shit. I can make it. I can't see it. I broke my mirror.
This one fell off somewhere.
Mine fell off. I had another set of mirrors, but it fell off on Cocker Road, going down the road. This is actually about to fall out. Wait, let me put my motherfucking glove on. Y'all left me. Oh man, I can't tell if it's recording or not, but it is. Alright, hey guys. It is recording. I didn't think it was. I was lied to by myself. I didn't see it recording, so I thought it wasn't. Oh boy, what is going on? He's gonna hit a bump and fly off his motherfucking motorcycle. That's gonna be funny as hell. Anyways, how are you guys doing today? It's a wonderful, what's today? Thursday. We're only gonna be riding for a couple hours because that's all we got time for both of us. My tire, it's bald. That's bald can get. It's dangerous bald actually, and I probably need to change the tire out before I ride it again, and I most likely will. So that's gonna have to happen. It's hard to make a YouTube video when you're not talking, isn't it, Austin? Yeah, it's pretty hard. Nah, I'm just cruising, enjoying the weather. It's really nice outside today. Like, it's like 74. Perfect weather, actually. Was that vet? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? That looks so funny. See how long it takes him to notice his blinkers on. Damn it, you noticed. It's hot.
Parker's that way.
Might as well take a picture too if I'm gonna be here.
No, it's scared shit out of me.
Huh?
Come on, that thing's connected to my headset right here.
Uh-huh.
I took a picture. It went to my headset right here. Like, what the fuck? God damn it.
Wait, what?
So, look, here's my phone. It's like speakers, you know.
Oh. Oh, that's
I
cool.
took a picture with my thing and heard click sound.
Dude, our motorcycles are so loud it's hard to hear.
Nah, you got shit on. Yeah. Boy, my feet too.
Yeah, it's a fire truck too, unless your motorcycle's on fire.
You know it is pretty hot.
Yeah.
Looking oil, so.
Dude, it is toasty. I thought it was gonna be a little bit cooler than this.
You need to check it before we roll? Huh? You need to check it before we roll?
It's loud. Oh, Oh, that's the only thing I worry about is people coming because of the noise. If we had like stock exhaust, it wouldn't be a problem. Cop. Don't do anything stupid.
Oh, good, he's going. Do it.
I got you. You gonna go? Oh. Oh my. Thank you. Oh my god. Y'all aren't any help.
I didn't see it.
What the fuck? My rear tire is gonna look how bald it is. Interesting day today. Went to college. Got my papers. I was gonna take a test today, and then she moved it to Tuesday for no reason. She was like, "No, we're moving it." I was like, "All right." So I guess we're not taking it till Tuesday. That's fun. Oh shit. You want to see where I went down?
Where?
You want to see where I went down at? Alright, we'll go. It's over there on, you'll see. We're gonna go where I wrecked this at like 40 miles an hour.
Well,
I'm gonna show you guys where I wrecked this. Or I got into a wreck. I'm gonna show you guys where I got into a wreck at. You wanna see it? Okay, yeah. Just follow. Can you hear me at all? you hit that, you will go flying.
I'm gonna try it.
If you hit that, you will actually go flying. I hit that mother... If he crashes, I'm gonna fucking... Did he hit it?
I got y'all like rolled over.
Hey, I'll probably split off at the four-way.
What?
I'll probably split off at the four-way.
Yeah.
Alright. We've been trying to make you lead because you ain't got no license plate.
Hey, go get a fist bump.
What? On our way home now. After all that. I don't even know how much footage I got. It was just a lot of just fucking around. We weren't really had an objective today. So obviously I didn't have much footage as an objective. We were just kind of like riding around, doing stuff. You know, it'd be like that. He wasn't paying attention. Holy shit. He almost flew off the road. What the fuck? I got that on camera. Holy my god. That's close calls right there. Oh, fucking around so much he almost ran off the road. Jesus fucking Christ. That was so fucking close. I'll see y'all. Bye.